when you travel, you always interact with social dynamics. You always interact with cultural dynamics. A lot of them are confusing. A lot of them are unspoken, such as class in Australia. There's a lot of class things that happen in Australia that aren't obvious to the eye at first. And so when you're traveling, it takes a while to kind of unpack what you actually experience. It's not, you're not gonna know what's going on when you first interact with all these different people and all these different cultural norms. You have to step back and analyze it and figure out what's happening. And once you do, the interactions begin to make more sense to you. And when you do that, you obviously get curious about the history of the country, but then you want to know how that impacted present day behavior. And you also want to see not only the good sides, the stereotypical sides of a country, but the most interesting sides, almost always, of any country are its, like, in quotes, bad sides. It's dark sides. You know, people have dark personalities. That's a thing, or like they have a dark side to them, as well as a brighter side. Well, at least some do. I mean, we all have behaviors we're not proud of, but some people are totally dark, others just have bits and pieces. And same thing with countries. I mean, some countries have some really fucking dark histories, and some of them have present day dark behaviors. All societies, really. And so traveling, you get exposed to that, and you get a really real feel of how the world operates and how societies as a whole operate. And you get to see the good, the bad, and the ugly. And then you or at least I always want to weave the story and put together why the dark sides of society exist and what they're a response or a reflection of. And that's all social behavior is. It's just reacting or responding to, you know, an impetus. It's something that has happened or that is happening. People are responding to it. So it was quite a ride. I mean, I'm exhausted from it. The sun was potent. People were pretty damn intense, but glad I went to Australia. Glad I have a better pulse on it now than I ever did before. And I am just arriving here. The old river, the old Oder, which is German for river, and that's Germany over there. And I am in Slubis, or Slubich? I don't know how you pronounce it, but they've got this big open landscape. Poland's here, Germany's there. That's all I got, guys.